All right, hi Bob, Alex here. It's Thursday night and I'm now having to revert to liquid chlorine because this thing will not stay working. So I'm going to videotape this troubleshooting process so you can share it with Pentair. So as you can see, we've got a no flow condition. The pump is at 2500 RPM. We're going to crank it all the way up to 3500, 3300 RPM. I continue to have a no flow condition. The valve is in bypass or recirculate, so we know the filter is not an issue. And to prove the point, I'm going to bypass the switch entirely and take it out of the circuit, so we know that it's not a flow switch. So Terry's going to hold the phone and videotape this. Black and red is the flow switch. So we're going to open this up. There's our black wire. There's our red wire. Now here's the wires coming out of the controller. This is black, this is red, so there's no magic, no funny tricks. We're going to tie this together, and as you can see, the controller does not come out of a low flow condition. This is not a question of a bad switch, a dirty filter, or a pump speed being too slow. The switch is physically bypassed out of the circuit, and it continues to show no flow. It will work, and it won't work, and it'll work, and it won't work. And I didn't buy this to have to add liquid chlorine. So please, let me know what we have to do to get this taken care of. I appreciate your help here, Ron.